Hey Buttes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do an at-home wax. Yes, an at-home wax. So I don't know if you guys saw, but in my last video when I did my Amazon haul, or the one before the last, I don't remember, but I did an Amazon haul and I got this at-home wax kit. So I'm going to use it for you guys today. I have not used it at all. So let's see how this goes. Before we start, I guess we should pick out a wax flavor. I'm going to show you guys the options once again. This is lemon, eucalyptus, I hope I'm saying that right, lavender, tea tree, and peppermint. So those are all 5. I think I'm going to do lavender today. I'm feeling the lavender. So yeah, I'm gonna open it just to smell it. I love lavender. I'm gonna smell it. It smells interesting. Doesn't really smell like the lavender that I'm used to, but it probably has to get warmed up first or something. All right. So we're gonna try this on my armpits. Disclaimer, my armpits are kind of ugly. So whatever you see, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Can you guys see that? So yeah, those are my armpits. Not cute. I know. But hopefully this hard wax does something. And then another thing, the Koji acid soap that I had gotten in the haul along with the kit and stuff. I'm not sure how long it's been since I've been using it. I'm gonna check in the last video. But I've been using that for some time now, and I'm not really seeing much of a difference, to be honest. I think it's been like 3 weeks maybe. So yeah, I'm going to get all these supplies out and figure out what I'm gonna do, and then I'll be right back. Okay, pro kit in here, or guide, whatever. I'm gonna see how to do this before I start anything, because I mean, I know how to wax kind of, but like this is my first time doing it on myself, and I just don't want to hurt myself. I don't want to do that. Well, here's some things in here that might be helpful to you guys if you do plan on getting a at-home waxing kit. The hair length must be at least a quarter inch long. Pour wax into the warmer and allow the beads to melt until the consistency is honey. Apply with pressure, let it cool for 30 to 45 seconds, and then pull it. Okay, that was really easy. So I think I can do this. Sunbathing and tanning. Eyebrows eyebrows. You can use this on your eyebrows. I don't know about that. It's a little risky. Anyways. So yeah, let's warm up the wax because that's the first thing we gotta do here. And I think my hair is like 1/4 of an inch long. It looks like it is. So, what y'all think? We good? Let's get into it. Okay, so I plugged in the box here. I don't know, whatever. And I guess this is the temperature. It has Fahrenheit to Fahrenheit. I'm not really sure how to adjust it, but I'm gonna pour the lavender wax beads inside. Should I pour the whole thing or just a little bit? I'm gonna do just a little bit. All right, guys, so first thing you want to do is put on that pre-wax spray, and I just did that. And then you're gonna want to put your beads inside of the wax holder, and I have it set at 217 right now, just so it can warm up pretty fast. And they also said that putting the lid on helps to speed up the process as well. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for that to get warm, and I'll be back when it's ready. Okay, so I forgot one more thing. This wax ring, they did say to put that in there earlier. So I'm just gonna put this right around the perimeter. There, like that, I think. Okay, so it looks like we finally got the honey consistency just about. So I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit longer. I'm gonna take this off because I don't see the use of it. So we can put it on and try it soon. Okay guys, so our wax is warmed up and ready to go. Got it right here beside me, and we're going to try this out. I'm so nervous. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with this armpit right here, and this amount of wax, I'm just rolling it around right now so it doesn't like start dripping. So okay, I think that's good because now it's getting messy. So yeah, we're just gonna wait to let that dry for 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, I think that's been more than enough time. It feels pretty dry, so I think we can go ahead and start ripping it off. Y'all, I'm so scared. Oh God. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go. I don't even know what direction to go in. Oh God. This is about to hurt so bad. I can already feel it. Oh God. Okay. Hey. I got this one little section off and I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Oh God. Ah, God. Hey. Okay, we just have to rip off the band-aid, right? Ah, okay. Oh, seriously. Eee. Guys, this is crazy. I don't know, man. How do you guys get Brazilian waxes? How do y'all do that? Like, isn't it extremely painful? Ah! What? Okay, I know you guys probably want to see this. I'm not sure, maybe, but it's working. This is what we're getting off. I don't know. Yep. Ow. 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 I think it's the way that I did it that like is making it hurt so much. I feel like if a professional did it, maybe it would be better. So yeah, we're gonna go back in here because there's still a good amount under here. Hopefully I get it right the second time. Round two. You really have to let it dry, and I think that I had it on earlier when it was still too wet. So I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. And the wax in the warmer has also cooled off a lot more. So I think it's a lot better to pull now. Here we go. 1, 2. Okay. Yeah. Here is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna put on that after wax spray, let it dry, clean up this mess, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead off camera and did my other armpits. As you can see, we got out most of the hair. There might be like a little strands around here. Like obviously it didn't get everything with one pull or whatever. So I went back in a few times and this is what we got. I think that it appears as though my armpits got a little bit lighter, but to be honest, I can't really tell. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm gonna put on this after wax spray and wait for that to dry. Yeah, that's the after wax spray. And then you just wait for it to dry. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Just wanted to show you guys how I use this wax kit. I'm probably gonna need some more practice, to be honest. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And share it with a friend. If you guys want the link to the product, I got you right down there. And I think that's it. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you again.